What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video, guys, you saw the title. We made some passive income. We're super excited about it. It's just the beginning. It's with Amazon affiliate links. So we're gonna break it down, how to do it, why we did it, and show you how to actually even find a product yourself, because it's super easy and we wish we started this a couple months ago. But let's get into this video and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Christina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it all for 6 months now. We've been pretty much crushing it. So if you are a part of our journey, thank you. We appreciate you supporting us. It is so amazing having the followers that we do. And if you're new to this channel, you should definitely consider subscribing. So in today's video, we're going to be showing what we did to get $37 and some change with pretty much doing nothing. So we did Amazon affiliate links. We actually got it on the computer screen right here. I'm gonna kind of show you guys just what the homepage looks like and like tell you what's going on. So let's just jump right in. So this is the homepage when you actually have everything all set up. So you can see right there our total fees are $37.86, but then our total earnings are $37.86. So I'm not 100% sure how that really is working. If you do know more, please let me know. But you can go to your reports right here, and then there you can see we made $37.86. So that will just come at the end of the month. They usually send a check to your address, so that's pretty cool. So far we'll make about $37. So that's pretty much what we did. That's our numbers of how we did it. But to start up, it's very easy. It's free. All you do is just go to this website. I'll have it linked down below. And all you do is just literally plug in your information, like your address, your billing account, and everything, so they know what to pay you. And then you're free. They'll give you like a little search bar so you can actually go in and find products. So here we'll do that. And then right there you can see keywords. So if we wanted to do Canon, just for instance, we could do this. And then pretty much if we wanted to get this camera, which we don't have, but you can just hit get link right there. And then for YouTube, you pretty much can only do text. You can't have these pictures like it shows. And then you can't even have these like
HTML.
Yeah, you can't have those, so you have to go to the standard link. And then right there you go. That's it. So what's really cool about affiliate links is you get 10% of the final purchase order. So if someone were to order this $500 camera, you get 10% of that. And then how it kind of works though is,
so it's pretty cool because anytime somebody clicks on the link but purchases anything, so they could have the most random things in their cart, not like the poly bags that we have an affiliate link for, we still get credit for it. So we recently had someone purchase a tent and wipes through our link. But we got credit for that purchase, so shout out to whoever you were.
Yeah, thank you so much. That's really awesome.
Yes.
So yeah, it's pretty much just because you referred someone to going to Amazon, so whatever they purchase, you get a commission for. So we hope that video really helped you. Again, leave a comment down below if you got any more questions, because we'd love to share more, because this is really cool that we were able to do this.
Yeah.
And it's just the beginning. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. And if you're new to this channel, you should definitely consider subscribing. So thank you to all our subscribers. You guys are awesome. You guys rock. So hope you guys have a good night or day whenever you're watching. Crush it. I know we said this video was over, but we just want to give a big shout out to THRIFTYESME. She actually won a
video shout out
during our live stream, so we'll link it right up there if you want to watch that. But yeah, shout out to THRIFTYESME. Shout out to all the OGs that stick around for this end of the outro.
Check out her channel. She's awesome.
Yeah, she really is. We'll have it linked in the description below. Peace, guys.